It's November here in the Scottish borders and we're getting a polytunnel. It's a Northern Polytunnels easy build, so I could do it myself, but I thought I'd get a team of experts in. I've never built a polytunnel before, done greenhouses and things like that, but no, this is a big one. So I've got Budwood to come in and do the install. There is rain on the way, probably even some snow, and we've got some very short days, so I expect it's going to take about a week. We'll see how it goes, but I'll shoot some time lapse and a bit of video, so yeah, watch this space.
Good morning, it's Simon from Budwood Limited. We are an independent specialist firm of installations of polytunnels and greenhouses. Currently in a lovely warm winter day in November. As you can see in the background, we're about to start a build of 13.5 metre of a northern tunnel, but we do other ones. As you can see, a bit of work to do today, so come along, watch what we do, and hopefully you enjoy it.
this is it. The team from Budwood have just left, and we are now able to start using our easy build polytunnel from Northern Polytunnels. Look at this monster. 14 meters by 4 meters or thereabouts. Let the growing begin. Very excited.